Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term IG. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, IGY is an acronym for I guess you're. People use it when confirming or responding uncertainly to what someone else says. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. IGY first showed up in the early 2010s internet chat and texting scenes. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among younger people communicating online. Now let's check out how to use IGY in a sentence. Correct example 1. I told him I was busy, but he replied with IGY, so I knew he understood. Correct example 2. She texted IGY after I explained the plan. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said IGY at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using IGY right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. IG means I guess you're. It started in early 2010s internet chats, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with IGY in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.